Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to manage automatic payments on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner and then select account settings. Now get on your left side and scroll down till the last and you guys can see this option right here called website payments. Now select on this and here its first option says my automatic payments. So in this automatic payments, you can manage the subscriptions, automatic payments and installment plans that you offer to your customers. So to manage all of these things, you just need to select on this update button. So after getting on this page, you guys just need to select few options and then you have successfully managed your automatic payments that you offer to your customers. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.